Well, in the form of juice, since the juices will always have minerals, especially potassium, there were experiments in which sugar disposition was followed, and they looked at the factors that were causing cells to be able to use the glucose effectively, and it turned out that potassium was more involved in handling glucose than insulin was. And since fruit juice always has a lot of potassium, you don't need nearly as much insulin secretion to handle the sugar. So the story that it's going to disturb your blood sugar is very inaccurate. Eating a piece of bread is much more disturbing to your insulin and blood sugar system than drinking a similar number of calories as fruit juice.